If you or a loved one are in the market for an SUV that balances comfort, safety, and technology, you're in the right place. As we age, finding the perfect vehicle becomes more about convenience and reliability rather than speed or flashy features. The good news? The 2025 SUV market is packed with options tailored to senior drivers. Imagine driving a car that provides easy entry, supportive seating, and advanced safety features designed to protect you at every turn. Well, you don't have to imagine any longer. In today's video, we're diving into the top 7 SUVs of 2025 that are perfect for seniors, offering a blend of comfort, safety, and advanced features to enhance your driving experience. Let's get started. Welcome back to Car Culture Central. Let's get into it. 1. 2025 Honda CR-V. The 2025 Honda CR-V remains one of the most practical and comfortable SUVs for seniors. It features a spacious interior with a high seating position, allowing for effortless entry and exit. The wide doors make getting in and out a breeze, and the well-designed cabin ensures a relaxing driving experience. The CR-V is so practical that even your grandkids will be borrowing it, and probably never giving it back. Honda has equipped the CR-V with a comprehensive set of safety features under its Honda Sensing Suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Seniors will also appreciate the clear and easy-to-read digital dashboard, which provides essential vehicle information at a glance. The infotainment system features a responsive touchscreen with simple controls, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for added convenience. Under the hood, the CR-V offers both traditional gasoline and hybrid options, making it a fuel-efficient choice. The hybrid variant delivers excellent mileage, reducing trips to the gas station and saving money in the long run. 2. 2025 Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride has consistently ranked among the best mid-size SUVs, and the 2025 model is no exception. It offers a well-appointed cabin with supportive seats, ensuring long drives remain comfortable. Its quiet interior and smooth ride make it ideal for seniors who prioritize a relaxing driving experience. Safety remains a top priority in the Telluride. Kia's DriveWise suite includes forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert, all designed to prevent accidents. The large infotainment screen with easy-to-navigate menus adds to its user-friendliness, while the wireless charging pad ensures devices stay powered on the go. The Telluride's V6 engine provides plenty of power while maintaining reasonable fuel efficiency. Additionally, its all-wheel drive option enhances stability in various road conditions, making it a great choice for those living in regions with unpredictable weather. 3. 2025 Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester continues to be a favorite among seniors due to its practicality, reliability, and emphasis on safety. It boasts a roomy interior with excellent visibility, thanks to its large windows and well-positioned side mirrors. One of the standout features of the Forester is Subaru's standard EyeSight driver assist technology. This includes pre-collision braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control, all of which help ensure a safer driving experience. The Forester's symmetrical all-wheel drive provides outstanding traction, making it ideal for seniors who frequently drive in snowy or wet conditions. Comfort is another strong suit of the Forester. The seats are well cushioned and provide ample support, reducing fatigue during long journeys. The infotainment system is simple to use, with physical knobs for adjusting climate and audio settings, making it easier for those who prefer traditional controls over touchscreens. 4. 2025 Toyota Highlander. For seniors who need a slightly larger SUV with 3 rows of seating, the 2025 Toyota Highlander is a great option. It offers a smooth and comfortable ride with an abundance of driver assist features. It's like a trusty old friend, except this one has adaptive cruise control and won't talk back. The Highlander comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic high beams. These features contribute to a stress-free driving experience by actively assisting the driver in avoiding potential hazards. Inside, the Highlander is designed for convenience. The adjustable power seats provide excellent lumbar support, and the second row offers easy access for passengers. The large touchscreen infotainment system features intuitive menus, while the inclusion of multiple USB ports ensures that devices remain charged. For those looking for efficiency, the Highlander Hybrid offers impressive fuel economy, making it one of the most economical three-row SUVs on the market. 5. 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. The Hyundai Santa Fe has been redesigned for 2025 with a modern look and even more senior-friendly features. It offers a high seating position with wide door openings, allowing for easy entry and exit. Hyundai's SmartSense safety suite is standard in the Santa Fe, featuring forward collision avoidance assist, driver attention warning, and lane following assist. These features work together to make driving safer and reduce the strain on senior drivers. One of the highlights of the Santa Fe is its comfortable and well-equipped cabin. The seats are highly adjustable and available with heating and ventilation, making them suitable for all weather conditions. Additionally, the vehicle's quiet cabin and smooth suspension provide a relaxing ride, especially on long journeys. 6. 2025 Ford Edge. The Ford Edge continues to be a strong contender for seniors looking for a practical and comfortable midsize SUV. It offers a spacious cabin with high-quality materials and a quiet ride, making it an excellent choice for those who value refinement. The Edge comes equipped with Ford's Copilot 360 safety suite, which includes a blind spot monitoring system, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features make highway driving safer and reduce the risk of collisions. Technology is another highlight of the Edge. The Sync 4A infotainment system is responsive and easy to use, featuring voice commands and large readable icons. The available all-wheel drive option provides extra traction in inclement weather, making the Edge a well-rounded choice for all seasons. 7. 2025 Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 stands out in the compact SUV segment due to its stylish design, comfortable seating, and smooth ride quality. It offers one of the best driving experiences in its class, with precise steering and a refined suspension system. Drives so smoothly you'll swear it's got better reflexes than you do. Mazda has equipped the CX-5 with its iActive Sense safety features, including adaptive cruise control, rear cross-traffic alert, and a lane departure warning system. These technologies enhance safety and ensure peace of mind while driving. Inside, the CX-5's upscale materials and user-friendly controls create a premium feel. The infotainment system is intuitive, and the available heated and ventilated seats add an extra layer of comfort. For seniors who enjoy a blend of luxury and practicality, the CX-5 is an excellent option. Choosing the right SUV can significantly enhance comfort and safety for senior drivers. These 2025 models offer a combination of user-friendly features, advanced safety technologies, and spacious interiors, making them excellent choices for seniors seeking a reliable and enjoyable driving experience. In 2024, the Toyota Highlander Hybrid was recognized by Consumer Reports as a top pick among midsize SUVs, particularly appealing to senior drivers due to its blend of comfort, fuel efficiency, and advanced safety features. ConsumerReports.org. Here's how the 2025 models you've considered compare to the 2024 Toyota Highlander Hybrid 2025 Honda CR-V. The 2025 Honda CR-V offers a spacious interior and user-friendly features, similar to the Highlander Hybrid. However, the CR-V is a compact SUV, making it smaller in size. While it provides good fuel efficiency, it doesn't match the hybrid powertrain's mileage of the Highlander Hybrid. The CR-V's safety features are comprehensive, but the Highlander Hybrid's suite may offer more advanced options. 2025 Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride is a mid-size SUV like the Highlander Hybrid and offers a comfortable ride with ample space. However, it lacks a hybrid option, resulting in lower fuel efficiency compared to the Highlander Hybrid's impressive 35 mpg. Both vehicles are equipped with advanced safety features, but the Highlander Hybrid's fuel economy gives it an edge for cost-conscious seniors. 2025 Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester, a compact SUV, provides excellent visibility and standard all-wheel drive, which the Highlander Hybrid also offers. However, the Forester doesn't have a hybrid variant, leading to lower fuel efficiency. The Highlander Hybrid's larger size offers more passenger and cargo space, which might be beneficial for seniors needing extra room. 2025 Toyota Highlander. The non-hybrid 2025 Toyota Highlander shares many features with its hybrid counterpart, including comfort and safety. However, it doesn't achieve the same fuel efficiency, making the hybrid version more appealing for those prioritizing lower fuel costs. 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. The Hyundai Santa Fe offers a comfortable ride and user-friendly technology. While it provides a hybrid option, its fuel efficiency doesn't quite match the Highlander Hybrid's 35 mpg. Both vehicles offer a suite of safety features, but the Highlander Hybrid's higher fuel efficiency and Toyota's reputation for reliability may make it more appealing to seniors. 2025 Ford Edge. The Ford Edge is a mid-size SUV offering a spacious interior and smooth ride. However, it lacks a hybrid variant, resulting in lower fuel efficiency compared to the Highlander Hybrid. Both vehicles are equipped with advanced safety features, but the Highlander Hybrid's superior fuel economy and Toyota's reliability may give it an advantage for senior drivers. 2025 Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV, is known for its stylish design and engaging driving experience. However, it doesn't offer a hybrid option, leading to lower fuel efficiency compared to the Highlander Hybrid. The Highlander Hybrid also provides more interior space, which could be beneficial for seniors seeking comfort and practicality. In summary, while each of these 2025 SUVs offers unique strengths, the 2024 Toyota Highlander Hybrid stands out for its combination of fuel efficiency, spaciousness, and advanced safety features, making it a compelling choice for senior drivers. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like and subscribe to Car Culture Central for more in-depth car reviews and recommendations. Safe driving!